For a $1 million fraud scam, singer Sean Kingston received a sentence of 3.5 years in jail. After being found guilty of a $1 million fraud scheme in which he used his celebrity to trick shopkeepers into giving him expensive goods that he never paid for, singer Sean Kingston was given a sentence of 3.5 years in jail on Friday. In March, a federal jury found Kingston, whose official name is Kisean Paul Anderson, and his mother, Janice Eleanor Turner, guilty of 4 counts of wire fraud and conspiracy to conduct wire fraud. Last month, Turner received a 5-year jail term. Kingston apologized to U.S. Judge David Leibovitz in the South Florida courthouse before receiving his sentence, stating that he had learnt from his misdeeds. Because of health concerns, his lawyer requested if he might self-surrender later, but the court ordered him to be brought into jail right now. After taking off his suit jacket, Kingston, dressed in a black suit and white shirt, was arrested and escorted out of the courthouse. Even though Kingston could no longer afford to continue his famous lifestyle, Assistant U.S. Attorney Marc Anton described him as hooked to it. Anton said on Friday that he clearly dislikes paying and uses his celebrity status to defraud his victims. The federal prosecutor detailed Kingston's years-long practice of intimidating victims for upscale goods and then withholding payment. Simply put, Anton said, he is a thief and a conman. Zeljka Bozanic, the defense lawyer, said that Kingston, 35, had the mindset of an adolescent, the age at which he shot to fame. The lawyer stated Kingston relied on his mother and company managers and knew very little about his finances. Bozanic said that no one had taught him how to invest his money. Money came in and went out for petty things. According to Bozanic, Kingston has already begun repaying his victims and plans to do so in full as soon as he is released and able to resume his job. The judge said he gave Kingston credit for taking responsibility and refusing to testify rather than perhaps lying in court, but Leibovitz denied that Kingston was stupid or foolish. On the other hand, Leibovitz characterized Kingston's mother's trial evidence as obstruction. In May 2024, a SWAT squad stormed Kingston's leased house in the Fort Lauderdale suburbs, leading to the arrest of Kingston and his mother. While Kingston was detained while performing at Fort Irwin, an Army training camp in California's Mojave Desert, Turner was arrested during the raid. Court documents show that Kingston organized luxury goods transactions via social media between April 2023 and March 2024. Following negotiations, Kingston would extend an invitation to one of his upscale Florida residences to the vendors, promising to promote them and their goods on social media. When it came time to pay, detectives said that Kingston or his mother would send the victims fictitious wire receipts for the purchases, which included a 19-foot, 5.9-meter LED TV, watches, and a bulletproof Escalade.